Let me start with a blunt observation. We live in a world where AI can write code, design products, and analyze markets in seconds. Yet in many companies, creating a simple video presentation still takes days. You brief the designer, they wait for feedback. Marketing asks for revisions. Leadership wants another version for a different audience. And suddenly, a 60-second video becomes a 2-week project. That's not a technology problem. That's an execution speed problem. In B2B environments, whether you're in sales, consulting, manufacturing, or operations, speed equals revenue. Every delay costs opportunities, attention, and momentum. So, the real question is, what if creating professional business content took minutes instead of days? Today, we're looking at a tool that aims to do exactly that. The app is called PixVerse. And at its core, PixVerse is not just another AI toy. It's a production engine. You type a prompt, you upload an image, you describe a concept, and within minutes, you get a fully generated video with motion, style, and narrative structure. Let's break down the 3 features that actually move the needle for business performance. Not gimmicks, not hype. Return on investment. Feature. Number 1, text to video in minutes. Old workflow, 6 days. New workflow with PixVerse, 10 minutes. That's not an improvement. That's a workflow replacement. Feature number 2, image to video conversion. You upload a product photo or a CAD render and PixVerse turns it into a dynamic video. No animation skills required. Feature number 3, high-speed iteration. In business, the winner is rarely the smartest. It's the fastest learner. Let's talk honestly. Most AI tools fall into 3 categories: too complex, too slow, or too experimental. Compared to Runway, PixVerse is simpler, and simplicity scales in business. Compared to Synthesia, PixVerse gives you motion scenes and cinematic visuals, not just talking avatars. Most AI tools optimize creativity. PixVerse optimizes production velocity, and velocity drives revenue. If your business depends on faster execution, then this is a tool worth testing immediately. Not next quarter, not after another meeting. Now, check the link in the description, try PixVerse yourself, and measure one simple metric. How much faster did your workflow become? That number will tell you everything.